Hi, my name's Tito, Sufesa Certified Master Technician, and today we will be checking gas pressure with a manometer. When checking for gas pressure, the first thing we're going to want to do is take a look at the unit and find out where we can tap into. In some cases, you'll have a tap somewhere on the unit, like on a manifold or at the rear of the unit. Other units may have a tap on the gas valve itself. I have a gas valve here, so we can show you where the tap would be on the valve itself. You'll get an Allen wrench, break this nut here, and then remove it or unthread it. And then we will attach our hose and thread it on there, making sure that it's tight enough to where we don't get any gas leaks. Now we can attach it to our manometer. The other side of the hose will go in. On this particular one, you have a P1 and a P2. We've selected P1 to go ahead and take our measurements from. Power on the manometer, and make sure that you are checking in inches water column. At this point, you would want to turn on the unit, and then your reading should increase according to the type of gas you have and the pressure that should be fed to the particular unit. Now you're going to want to check gas pressure with this particular unit on, and also turn it on and off other units within the building to see if it makes any difference. And then we've checked our gas pressure at that point.